We already closed it.
Yeah.
Oh, I was trying to think if I had another check coming. That's all. All right.
But that's why it's important to know the why, because when they hesitate and they don't want to put in an offer and they're, XYZ and PDQ, you can go back to their why.
So imagine if you could do this on 100% of your deals. This won't work on 100% of your deals because some homes won't have equity. I mean, most now in this market, every home has equity. But if you don't spend the time and learn how to, I was talking and training this, not just doing it for myself, and actually said it took 4 minutes and 50 seconds or something like that, right? So imagine if I was just doing this on my own while I'm driving down the street in my truck, which I do all the time. Man, okay, great. Yep, we got a deal. Or no, I know what I need to negotiate from the seller. So what would you do with this? So let's say this client needed a 3-2-1 buy down. Ken already told you that a 3-2-1 buy down is 2.75%, right? I'm so glad he did that. All you would do in this scenario, where's my calculator? I'm getting lost. Y'all see it on here, anyone? All right, LC. All right, here's my calculator. So you already know that if you needed a 2-1 buy down, a 3-2-1 buy down, which is 2.75%, plus Rhonda says she wanted 3,000, plus I need 6,000. Y'all follow me on the math? 360 times, what is that? 0.0275. That's the buy down. Plus I need my six racks. Rhonda needs 3 racks.
18.9.
18.9, and we always talking percentages. Was 18.9 divided by 360,000? So when we start doing math, this is where you lose real estate agents. We need 5 1/4.
Okay. That's 406. So that's good.
So now to answer Simone's question, why do you need 5 1/4? Because we're gonna do a 3-2-1 buy down, and we need her closing costs covered. They go, oh, okay, right? So this is up front. All right. So now you got to get to the closing table. So let's walk you through that. How do we get to make sure we get this money? We got to get this money, right? We got to get this money. So in here, if you type in here, you can just type in the word verbiage. Where's it called? Doing it so long. Where is it?
It's in .loop.
Oh, it is? Okay, yeah, it is in .loop. Thanks. I forgot. I'm a pretty bright guy. I put it in .loop, right? Thanks. All right, it's in .loop.